EU Codice Fiscale Hotel to Embark 1383. Now, what is happening in Europe, in America, in this planet with inflation and the wages is very simple. They hide how much they print today, and then the eggs here in Spain were 2 euros, now is already about 4 euro. Yeah, it is because this virus of the birds and blah blah blah. The coffee, same thing, it was 3 euros, now it's 5 euros. Okay, of course, you up north in Europe don't realize how serious this is, because they've been lying to you longer. You see, they are very good up north printing money and then giving it to others. It's very easy to find out. But what's going to happen in the hotel today in Europe? That we have this, in the hotel of passenger ships, we have this 2,000 euros start-up wage, and then after a year you go 2,400, 500, and then after 28 months steward 2,900 net. Now, many in Spain get 1,300 doing hotel rooms. There's a huge population in Spain, 1 million is it, doing hotel rooms, 1,300 euros. Some have kids and families, but others perhaps really want to start, and why not apply here? Because you can go from 1,300 to 2,000 and then go to 2,900 and then have a career on board this Italian company of 55 ships, passenger ships, total 6,000 hotel crew, so you can promote if you are good. It is very important to have Italian language. I'm sorry, I don't speak enough Italian to make this video in Italian, but you must feel this Codice Fiscale. If you do have it now, it's very fast. You are employed by the ship owner. They need from baker, pastry, butchers, 2,600 euros net to start. Also, we have cooks, passenger, 3,000 euros to start, and then also there is a few cooks for the cargo ships, and you need to have the basic cargo ship cooks is about 2,500 net, and then you need to have the basic training, firefighting, survival. Up north in Europe is very easy to just in one day. Novi Contest #1 training facility in Latvia is 4 days, 300 euros, or is it 300 euros and 3 days? I don't recall now, but it's very easy because they made a pack, so you can have that. South here in Spain, it's very complicated to get these courses. It's very complicated to get the Codice Fiscale. So take advantage. Why? Because they are not going to tell you how much money they're printing today, and the cost of living is just going up and up and up. And if you are working in a hotel, let's say in Bulgaria, earning like 700 euros doing these rooms, why not apply in Candina today and get these 2,000, start going up the ladder in a huge company. If you're a very good professional and you want to go piano piano, va lontano, slow slow, you go long. So if you want to fight inflation, change mentality. The current governments, they're going to keep printing. Why? Because every day they cost more, they do less. It should be substituted with Alexa one day and then us cut the tax. But up north, for example, in Latvia, is like, if you are going to have 2,000 euros as a steward, the company must pay 4,000. So it's not possible to have the bars, the restaurants open. But the solution is here, south in the Mediterranean Sea. You can apply and get this very easy. Novi Contest is the best. Thank you very much. #1 training facility in this planet. Take advantage. Also the Consulate General in Lithuania. Thank you very much. 1 week. Get this Codice Fiscale, because if you go to Spain, they don't know what they're talking about and they just want to talk. You see, no, we want the paper, thank you. And then apply very fast, learn Italian. We have a basic safety manual so you can confirm, and then take this opportunity. Why? Because you will just go shopping next week and you will try to buy some eggs and you realize that I'm saying the truth, it will be a 10% more expensive, and the week after 10% more expensive. So there's only one way you can fight inflation. Join Candina, join this huge ship owner, Italian flag, social security, leave shore, because there's so much tax insulted, they are going just like do like this. Inflation is doing it like that, and they will keep on printing. So please take an advantage. If you don't want to do that, then that's okay. But there is huge needs and huge possibilities, and there's many countries with a huge competitive advantage, like in Latvia because of the training, like in Lithuania because of the consul issuing this Codiche Fiscale, helping their people, and many other countries down south, they do nothing for their for the taxpayers but to ask them for more. So please join Candina, apply now. Thank you. Bye.